years ago, we started a vision, no guarantees, and a burning desire to create something extraordinary. This room is filled with leaders who refuse to quit, dreamers who choose to believe, ordinary people who made an extraordinary decision to rise, to live, and to win.
You are not just leaders, you are the guardians of our legacy, the builders of our unity, and the champions of our success.
Of sacrifice, 7 years of breakthroughs, and 7 years of life changed. And today, we don't just celebrate success. We celebrate transformation.
Kami dari MGI Indonesia mengucapkan selamat kepada MGI Filipina merayakan ulang tahun yang ke-7 luar biasa. Semoga MGI Filipina semakin jaya dan semakin besar ke depannya. Dan MGI super, yeah!
I'm very proud to be family of MGI Club. We are step by step going up and success in MGI Club.
Who built this company with vision, courage, and relentless determination, led the foundation. Now it is my honor to continue the legacy, carry the torch for the next generation. You know, sometimes they call me the powerhouse of the Philippines. But you know what? The powerhouse is every single one of you.
Every one of you here today is a living proof that it's MGI. Proof that titles do not define potential. Proof that when courage meets opportunity, greatness is born.
Super love!
Talagang sa MGI, totoong may passive
Of
income.
course
And,
naman.
Legit yun, super yes.
Happy anniversary, MGI.
MGI! Super, yeah!
So, alamat ng tagumpay means legend of success. Legends are not written in books. They are written in lives. For 7 years, we waited to celebrate again. 7 years of challenges, of victories, of growth. And tonight, we prove that legends don't fade. They grow stronger. Ang alamat ng tagumpay ay hindi lang tungkol sa pera o negosyo para itong kwento ng pamilya. Hanggang minsan kahit magkaiba tayong ng apelyido. Ito sa MGI, iisa ang ating apelyido, tagumpay.
Tuloy-tuloy lang, walang titigil. MGI family is number 1.
Because in MGI, we are not just building income. We are building leaders. We are building culture. We are building a legacy. You don't rise to the level of opportunity. You rise to the level of preparation. so prepared, so built, so lit, and I will see you at the top.
Sa bawat rejeksyon na sinaano nila sa akin, ito man isa, dalawa, 10, mas marami po yung naniniwala. Kaya po, tayo laban lang!
Natatakot ka ngayon, kung may duda ka pa ngayon, nandito lang ho lang talaga yan. Nakita nyo na ho yung resulta namin, nakita nyo na ho yung resulta ng iba. Kailangan na lang ho natin ituloy-tuloy. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Nahamon ko lang ang sarili ko at ganyan po sa bawat isa. Kung may mga kabiguan po tayo sa buhay, mga discouragement, matuto po tayong lumaban. Matuto po tayong lumaban at pag po tayo ay handang harapin, alin niyo po, yun na po yung masasabing tayo po ay successful.
Sabi ko, pag nag-MGI ka, marami kang mapapasaya.
MGI, super, 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 yes! To keep going, kahit na mahirap yung ginagawa natin sa business natin, I won't stop. Hindi ako titigil because I don't like to see people na walang makita, walang future, walang pag-asa.
To all of you, the heartbeat, the strength, and the future of MGI. Here to the full future filled with good energy, greater impact, and limitless possibilities. And here to the Philippines, the perfect place where we celebrate this history milestone and ignite the fire for the next 1,000 years.